In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a new Google Sheets document and save it correctly so you can access it anytime, whether you're managing personal finances, organizing a project, or just exploring the vast world of spreadsheets. This tutorial will empower you to seamlessly create and save your files with ease. First, head over to your browser and make sure you're logged into your Google account. Seeing as the Google ecosystem is quite integrated, logging in will ensure your work is synchronized and accessible from any device. Once you're sure you're logged in, direct your attention to the upper right corner of your browser where you'll find the Google Apps icon. It looks like a small grid made up of dots. Give it a click and you'll see a menu with a variety of app options. We'll focus on Google Sheets, so go ahead and click on that icon. Now you're inside Google Sheets. To start a fresh document, look for and click on the large plus blank button. This will initiate a new spreadsheet where you can input your data. This layout will look familiar if you've used other spreadsheet software before. Saving your work is a crucial step. It prevents data loss and allows you to return to your document whenever needed. Begin by heading to the top left corner of the screen and clicking on File, which opens a drop-down menu. From this menu, choose Save As. You'll be prompted to choose a location to save your file. For today's tutorial, let's choose the desktop. This ensures easy access. However, feel free to choose whatever location works best for you. Next, it's time to name your file. Naming it something relevant will help you easily find it later. After you've entered the desired name, simply click Save. You've now safely stored your Google Sheet document to your chosen location. It's always good practice to save your work periodically as you make changes, but our journey doesn't end here. Let's ensure you know your way around reopening a saved file. Close your current Google Sheets tab to complete this test run. Now head back to your desktop or wherever you saved the file. Find your saved document and double-click it to open it once again in Google Sheets. Doing this ensures that your work is accessible and secured. And there you have it. Now you've mastered creating, saving, and reopening Google Sheets documents with confidence. With these skills in hand, you're well equipped to handle whatever spreadsheet tasks may come your way. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more useful tutorials. Thank you for watching.